Hey y'all, my name is Steph, and usually on this channel I'm coming to you all with lock tutorials, Ghana vlogs, or just things about Ghana, more so lifestyle things as well. And today we are diving into hair. This will be a talk through tutorial on how I do head wraps with these head wraps. And before I get into it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
This video is brought to you today by Hits. Hits is the #1 Black online shop, and we got all type of goodies. Okay, we have Judas, Queen Esther, Forefathers, even KD, King David. Make sure you also take advantage of that 20% off on our shop. You're gonna find something you like, and I'll see you there. Deuces.
But we're doing head wrap tutorials, okay, or head wrap tutorial. And this one is going to be more so based around these type of scarves that I got so many years ago when I first got into natural hair care from the Wrap Life. And I was scrolling online, what was it, the other day, looking for some, just some new ways to style a head wrap. But all I kept coming across was the more silky, satiny, stretchy type of head wraps. Tutorials, and of course those I think are kind of more easier, but I've been having these laying around and I've been wanting to get more back into it. But the reason why I had stopped was because they started to hurt my head. Like if I made the little knot right there, they started to hurt. I was just over it, and sometimes it's a little harder, I think, to wrap these because they don't have as much stretch. So I've been playing with it, and I wanted to come to you guys to show you some of the simple, ouchless ways that I do it. So let's get right into it. First off, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. I'm using my mirror here. Small little bun. Sometimes I still come back through with another one because my locks aren't all the same size. Okay, hair is put back in a small little bun. And for instance, I'm going to take this one. This is from the Wrap Life. I'm sure you all have seen this on numerous videos of mine. I got this so many years ago, y'all. I'm sure they don't have this anymore, but we're not going to, just gonna keep it stretched out. And again, guys, the main focus with this is to not feel the ouch, or the ouch, to not have that little ball in the front where it's irritating the heck out your forehead. Then I'm just tying it in the back. And the great thing with this style is you don't have to, you can tie it as tight as you want. I kind of have it a little loose. Like I said, I don't like too much stuff being too tight around my head. It's like I can feel it, If you want to tuck that little piece in there, in the little thing, you can. And then we're gonna just make sure that little tag is hidden. But then I just come back around on one side. Now you can flare out these to give it more wrinkles, not wrinkles, but like folds. Before I do that, I just go ahead and tuck that one, right? And this is, I like things I can just tuck it. Then we're gonna take this side. Just trying to get some fold action going. Hopefully you can see good, y'all, because I'm looking in this mirror. And then this is like very, very simple. Let me grab my stuff because I'm using my corded mic because I feel like it has better sound isolation. All the hair is put up. And I've also been wanting to practice more with these because I'm in Ghana and it's dusty. It gets very dusty, so you always want to have your head wrap game on lock. You got to have a head wrap game on lock because it gets dusty and you don't want your hair just having dust all on it. So yeah, and then sometimes as well you can, sometimes I do like to cover my hairline, but sometimes you want to pull it back to even release even more pressure with nothing touching the forehead. Like a cute little maiden. It's very cute, Steve. But yes, I love that one too because it's simple, it's cute. You can pair, I like to pair it with studs. That's more so what I like to do. All right, y'all, so I just put my hair into a somewhat of a high bun, and it can be messy. It don't have to be perfect, y'all. It don't have to be perfect at all. I'm sitting here telling y'all don't have to be perfect, but I'm sitting here wanting to make sure it's perfect. Okay, another Ouchless. So again, I'm just keeping this all one length, or one, I'm not folding it, just doing this here. And the thing is, y'all want to make sure it's like you see how I'm doing that? You pulling up the head wrap. And don't worry about that tag. It's like an angular type of thing. And I probably should have did it the other way, y'all, but let's do it the other way. And most of the time I can tuck this part. It's really all about the tuck, you know? Sometimes you may have to tuck the ends. And I'm pulling that up. You saw that space right there? It's like a little space. You want to pull it up to kind of give it a little some. And here again, guys, it's just about how you want it, you know? And deciding where you want to tuck it. And really sometimes it's gonna be different, like a fingerprint, right? It's almost gonna be different every time, because it's just how you have your hair up, and all of that matters. So it's just, I just tucked that bad boy away. Then we're gonna find out where we can tuck this piece. And again, y'all, these are simple. I know somebody gonna come over here and be like, "They're simple." I know how to do that with good, child. Somebody don't, I can help somebody. Dang, let me do it. Everything is hidden, because this look is for the hidden style. And sometimes I like it like that, where it's kind of like, you can have it as a peek, but sometimes I don't care to do all that. And I think I've kind of done this style a little bit before, okay. But it's like one of my just more simple, basic styles. And you can pull that down to conceal that kitchen. Okay, so that was that. This is like the queen look. You know, when you, simple, but it says queen, it says empress. It's giving that. It's giving all of that, so. And this one is also Ouchless. No pain, no pressure anywhere on my head. And this is cotton, but I don't feel it. I don't feel it. All right, I'm gonna pull this up. Again, this is a non-perfect bun on frizzy hair, I keep looking at the viewfinder, y'all. Do apologize. I know it looks weird. Now again, though, you can do these styles in different ways. Even this style, you can do it with it folded down. I'm not gonna unfold it because it takes a little minute. You can fold it, well, I do it. You can do it like this and then scrunch it. And just kind of just do it as well. You don't necessarily have to fold this in half, especially if you want the pleats or the folds. So this, you can do this without unfolding. You can do it without folding it, but I'm gonna fold it. Trying to tuck that tag away. Probably could cut it off, but I don't wanna. I'm just folding it. Same thing. Make sure your tails are same length as well. Let me start over here, because I'm over here. And I kind of like to get it right underneath that bun. And again, since these are Ouchless, we're not doing that ball thing on the front. Just refuse. I just refuse, child. It's all about the tucking. And sometimes you have to just, like I said, you just have to play with it, you know? Just gonna tuck it right in here. With that, let's see. I'm gonna place this right in here. And then this is where you just kind of do your thing, you know? Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Any loose locks, stuff them inside. And me personally, I like the messy look, so all of my locks don't have to be just in there perfectly. They can stick out a little bit if they want to. And so this is one. And I like the kind where it's not like a big old something right there. I just kind of like basic, because I like the print to speak for itself, because it's busy. You know what I mean? You can leave a few pieces out if you want to add a little flair to it. But this is just a nice simple style, ouchless as well with the cotton head wrap. We finna put these into use in 2025, okay? So yes, that was that one. I thought I had one more. I said 3, but I think I had 4 today actually. All right, y'all, so this is where I just tucked it to the back. I'm trying to make this fast because I'm running out of battery. Okay. This one, I think I did do this. I did tie. And this one's a little more fancier, I would say. It's not so close to the, oh, you got a little puff action going on. If I can keep it in there. Just a little added flair to the side. And then you're just puffing it out as much as you like. That's why I didn't fold it this time as much anyway. I didn't try to fold it because I wanted some pieces to hang out. I don't know, y'all, it's still giving cute. It's still giving cutesy. Yeah. And again, this one here, it's no pressure. No pressure. Like I said, I did tie right here one time. Tie, boom, but I didn't make a double tie because sometimes that stuff be hurting. All right, y'all, so that was 4 head wrap styles that are no pressure on your temple at all. And yes, I will be back to show you all some more head wrap tutorials as well. We're gonna also get some new head wraps in the game, y'all. I know I've been using these same ones for a while, but they work out, all right? So if you have any comments, make sure you leave them down below. Let me know if you like the styles that we went over today in today's lesson. I was checking the analytics the other day, and it was saying that most of the people that check out my videos aren't subscribed. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yes, check out other locked videos that I also have on this channel. And I will talk to you later. All right, bye.